What's up, everybody? Today I have a fresh and delicious recipe for you. It's spring rolls and it requires few ingredients and it is super tasty and delicious. For the ingredients, you will need a carrot, mangoes, bell pepper, avocado, cucumber, and I have some cilantro. And for my sauce, I'll be using a sweet chili sauce. You can buy this, of course, and it is super delicious. I have rice paper, and I also have a bowl of warm water. And this is pretty much all you'll need to make a delicious, healthy spring roll. And of course, for the tools, I have my trusty knife, I have a peeler, and a cutting board. And that's basically, as I said, that's basically everything that you'll need for this quick and delicious and healthy recipe. So now let's get started. So first up, I'll prep my cucumber, and I'm using half of a cucumber for this. And as I said, this recipe is nice and simple. It's kind of a freestyle. And I'll be doing juliennes here, so I'm slicing it vertically. Then after that, I'll line it up and create nice little thin slices called juliennes. And this is, again, a beautiful recipe because you can add as much or as little vegetables or whatever you like into it. Next up, it'll be my red bell pepper, and as my cucumber, I'll be doing julienne slices as well. So I'll break down the sides, making sure that there's no seeds involved here, and then I'll create my nice, beautiful julienne slices, and you can go as thin or as thick as you like. Next up on the chopping block will be my mango, and I'm using a ripe mango, but it's not super ripe, it's still firm. And I'll peel it. Then what I'll do next is create nice, beautiful julienne strips as well. So my carrots will be next. I'll be taking off the bottom and the top. Then I'll peel it with my peeler. And if your carrot is a little bigger, you'll cut it in half so it's easier to manage. And then you'll do your beautiful julienne strips as well. Next up, last but not least, will be my avocado. I'll take my knife, run it all the way around. And again, when you're doing an avocado, make sure it's on a flat surface and you want to make sure everything is clean. And now I'll do a twist. And then I'll take my knife and take the seed out, twist that as well. And with this, I'll just create nice little strips, not going all the way through, in my avocado. Finally, we're ready to build our beautiful spring rolls. First, I'll take a damp paper towel, place it on my surface, on my cutting board, and this will ensure an easy process of rolling your spring rolls. After I've done that, I'll take my bowl of warm water and I'll place my paper, my rice paper in there, and you need it to be submerged for at least 5 to 10 seconds. And this is necessary to rehydrate your rice paper. So after you have rehydrated your rice paper, you'll shake it off a bit, and then you'll place it on your damp paper towel, and now you're ready to build. Like most wraps or burritos, you can do it the same way. It's just by building it and thinking how you want to build it. And after you've done this a couple times, you'll know your limits. So I'm just doing a few strips, and I recommend doing one first to see how thick you would like it or how thin you would like it. And then you can go from there. Again, this is very simple and this is a freestyle, so you can do it whatever way you would like. and it'll have a beautiful look, a beautiful texture by just practicing it a couple times. So now it's time to put our avocado in there. Before we made some strips in there, so now we'll cut that in half again. And now it'll be easier to take it out because we've made those beautiful cuts. And we'll peel back our avocado and add that in there. And also for your herbs, I'm using cilantro. If you'd like to use mint, you can use that as well. I know some people are very picky about cilantro, and you can use as much or as little as you'd like. I'm just using a few leaves. And now we're ready to roll this up. So we'll pull it back down a little, tighten everything up. And now we'll place the bottom part of it over. And we'll close that off. And now we'll tighten everything up. Like so. And now we'll begin to roll. And as you rolled, make sure you tighten as you roll. So make sure everything is tight when you're rolling it. This will be very important later on when you're ready to cut it, so make sure everything is tight. As you can see, that's what you're looking for, a nice tight looking spring roll. And then I'll use our damp paper towel to roll that up, cut that off, and now we have a beautiful finished product that we'll just let sit. And you can let this stay in your refrigerator for up to a couple hours, but it's made to eat right away, so make sure you keep that in mind. So when you're ready to serve, or when you're ready to eat your beautiful spring rolls, you'll take it out of your damp paper towel. And the damp paper towel is important because it'll keep your spring rolls nice and moist, and that's what you're looking for. So I'll cut it down the middle, and you can cut this as big or as small as you'd like. And as you can see, look at those beautiful colors in there. And now they're ready to eat. And I'll serve this with some beautiful sweet chili sauce. And like that, we have a beautiful plate. And enjoy. So finally, that's it. As you can see, this recipe is quick and simple. It is nutritious, and also it's gluten-free. So I hope you make this, and you can add whatever fruit, whatever vegetable that you'd like. It's up to you. This recipe is easy breezy, and it's all up to you. Whatever you'd like to add to it, you can. Whatever vegetable that you eat raw, whatever fruit that you like, you can all add it to this. And using the sweet chili sauce will make it even more delicious. Again, if you like this recipe, or if you love it, please give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments below, and please subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Now I'll try it. Amazing.